Telecommunication progressed from telegraph to telephone, from copper wires to fiber optics, from analog to digital, from wireless to satellite. Photography changed from daguerreotypes to glass plates to film to digital, as well as from black to white to color. This pattern holds true in virtually every field, and each pulse opened the door to new innovation that revolutionized industries and sometimes society itself. Today, we are at the start of just such a revolution in the auto industry. It is a part of the larger fourth industrial revolution that is the theme and focus of this year's annual meeting of the World Economic Forum. In the auto industry, the revolution is being driven by the convergence of connectivity, class electrification, and changing customer needs. It is allowing automakers like General Motors, Honda to develop drastically cleaner, safer, smarter, and more energy efficient vehicles for customers in every market around the world. Your petrol fuel car will become a thing of the past. We are moving from an industry that for 100 years has relied on vehicles that are standalone, mechanically controlled, and petroleum fueled to ones that will soon be interconnected, electronically controlled, and fueled by a range of energy sources. I believe the auto industry will change more in the next 5 to 10 years than it has in the last 50 years. And this gives us the opportunity to make cars more capable, more sustainable, and more exciting than ever before. The electrification of the automobile is being enabled in part by breakthrough battery technology that are helping us develop car like new Chevrolet Malibu hybrid, which gets a combined city highway fuel economy of 47 miles per gallon. The second generation Chevrolet Volt, which offers a pure EV range of 53 miles of a gasoline equivalent of 106 mpg. And the recently introduced Chevrolet Bolt EV, a pure electric vehicle that gets more than 200 miles per charge. Electrification is also at the root of many advances in vehicle safety by integrating cameras, radars, and sophisticated sensors. Today's cars offer an array of intelligent technologies like blind spot detection, collision warning system, adaptive cruise control, and crash imminent braking, which can stop your car automatically even you don't want. One of the most exciting advances in vehicle development is connectivity thanks to technology like GM's OnStar system. Since being introduced in 1956, OnStar has response to more than 1 billion customer requests, from automatic crash response to stolen vehicle recovery to remote door unlock, vehicle diagnostics, and more. By the end of this year, GM will have 12 million OnStar connected vehicles on 4 continents. When your car talks to other cars to avoid a crash, we have also pioneered 4G wireless connectivity. This allows car to act as an Wi-Fi hotspot that can connect to up to 7 devices at a time. They are literally their own rolling mobile devices. We have already put more than 2 million 4G equipped vehicles on the roads in Europe, Asia, and North America. By 2025, we expect more than 75% of our global volume to be actively connected. Connectivity gets more exciting when vehicles are connected with other vehicles, and even the highways they travel. V2V or vehicle to vehicle communication allows cars to communicate with each other over a dedicated Wi-Fi band and share information about vehicle speed, direction of travel, traffic flow, and road and weather conditions. If a car makes a sudden stop, or if it is in danger of colliding with other vehicles, every car around it will know it's within a fraction of a second. V2V can detect vehicles that are around corner, over hills, or otherwise hidden from driver's view. Some system will take partial control of brakes and steering to help driver avoid a collision. Electric vehicle technology will save 33,000 lives a year in the US alone. The United Nations and World Health Organization report that auto accident cost countries as much as 3% of gross national product every year. V2V will significantly reduce these costs. The US Department of Transportation estimates that V2V could estimate up to 80% of traffic accidents that now occur on US road accident that claim nearly 33,000 lives in year 2014. The next step is connectivity is V2I, vehicle to infrastructure communication. Urban traffic congestion already costs society billions of dollars in wasted fuel and productivity. And the problem is growing rapidly. The UN predict that by 2050, the world urban population will be 6.3 billion, up from 3.9 billion in 2014. V2I can help when vehicles are connected to smart highways and traffic lights, then linked to highly accurate real-time traffic updates and navigation system. They can significantly reduce congestion and urban commute times in addition to further improving vehicle safety. The rapid advancement of intelligent and connected technologies is also providing the foundation of automated vehicles that make driving safer and easier. For example, actively developing Super Cruise, the highly automated driving technology that enables hands-free driving on the highway, even in stop and go traffic. In time, GM and others will introduce partially autonomous and eventually fully autonomous vehicle cars that can drive themselves. At GM, we will begin testing a fleet of autonomous car later this year on the campus of our technology center in Michigan. The future of car sharing, in addition to the many technological advances shaping today's auto industry, there are also many social changes like urbanization, sustainability, and sharing economy that are changing the way customers interact with cars. At GM, we have launched ride sharing programs in Frankfurt, Shanghai, and New York. Earlier this month, we announced a strategic alliance with Lyft, the fastest growing rideshare company in the US, to create an integrated network of the on-demand network autonomous vehicle. We believe the convergence of ride sharing and autonomous vehicle offers great opportunity to improve safety, reduce congestion, and enhances transportation freedom for everyone, including the elderly, disabled. Auto industry is changing faster today than it has in 100 years. Many facets of traditional industry are being disrupted, and we at GM believe that creates exciting new opportunities rather than fear disruption. The auto industry will play an important part in the fourth industrial revolution. At GM, we look forward to working with others to lead and define the future of personal mobility.